Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Okay, so now we do an extra exercise. So hari tu kita dah belajar apa semua kan, inequality. So hari ni extra exercise. Okay, so seolah-olah macam tutorial lah. Okay, so nanti korang so sebelum saya buat tu, korang buatlah dulu, pause dulu video ni, try buat dulu and then tengok macam mana saya buat. Okay. So kat situ bolehlah detect kat mana step yang korang salah. Okay, so first find the values of x that satisfy the following inequality and give the answer in interval notation. Okay, so this one ni bentuk apa ni? Linear, rational, or quadratic. So quadratic tak mungkin lah sebab tak ada kuasa 2. Modulus pun tak mungkin lah. Okay, so this one linear. Okay. So the highest power of x is 1. But dekat sini. Okay, so kalau sebelum ni korang jumpa x plus 1 less than 3 greater than negative 1. So x ada kat tengah-tengah sahaja kan. Okay, so now we have x on 3 sides. On the left, on the middle, and on the right. Okay, so for this one you cannot do it directly like this one. So awak tak boleh nak buat secara direct seperti yang ni. Negatif 1 tolak 1 kurang daripada x kurang daripada 3 tolak 1. So dapatlah apa? Negatif 2 kurang daripada x kurang daripada 2. So yang ni terus dapat jawapan. So tapi yang ni tak boleh lah sebab dia ada x dekat 3 bahagian. So nak tak nak korang kena kenapa? Kena pecahkan. Okay. Okay, so first number 1. So number 1, so you have x over 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 2. Okay. So next, pindahkan. Collect x dengan x yang tak ada x dengan x. Okay, so this one x over 3. This one is 2x. So saya pindahkan daripada kiri ke kanan. Positive 2, so saya pindahkan ke kiri. So you have negative 2 less than or equal to 2x minus x over 3. Okay. So next, simplify. So you will have so this one over 1, here over 3, so times by 3. So this one also times by 3. Okay, so you have 6x minus x over 3. Okay, so you have negative 2 less than or equal to 5x over 3. Okay, so this one divide, bring to the left, become multiplication. Okay, so you have negative 2 times 3, negative 6 less than or equal to 5x. Okay, so negative 6 divided by 5 less than or equal to x. Okay, so seterusnya terbalikkan, so korang akan dapat x lagi besar daripada negative 6/5. So lagi besar ataupun equal. Okay, so this one side. Another side, so the relation n. Done. Okay. So another side, the second one. Okay, so second one you have 2x plus 2 less than x plus 7. Okay, so pindah, collect, kumpulkan x dengan x. So 2x minus x less than 7 minus 2. So you have x less than 5. Okay. Okay, so dia nak jawapan dalam interval notation. Okay, so ada perkataan n. So bila ada perkataan n ni, so kemungkinan nanti jawapan dia macam mana orang kata intersection. So kita try draw dulu number line. Okay. So negative 6 over 5. So here. And then number 5 here. Okay, so for the first one, you have x greater than or equal to negative 6 over 5. Okay. So here dot, so greater than, draw a line to the right. And then x less than 5. Second, you have x less than 5. Okay, so x less than 5, there is no equal, so circle. Kita draw ke kiri. Okay, so sekarang so sebab n, so kita cari persilangan antara dua anak panah ni. So persilangannya dekat tengah-tengah di antara negatif 6/5 dan 5. Okay, so therefore the answer is x element in negative 6 over 5. So we use close bracket since here dot. Okay. So close bracket negative 6 over 5 until 5. So 5 we use open bracket. Okay. So ni jawapannya. Okay. Sama tak dengan jawapan korang? So kalau ada salah, check balik. Okay. So contoh yang kedua, latihan yang kedua. Okay, solve the inequality below and express your answer using interval notation. Interval notation lagi ni. Okay, so this one apa ni? Rational, quadratic or linear. So ni ada pecahan dan x dekat bawah ni ada x dekat denominator. So this one is rational. Okay. So rational, ni nanti kena ada interval table lah yang positif, negatif, banyak-banyak simbol tu. Okay, so sebelum tu, so jangan buat apa yang tak boleh kita buat dalam rational inequality ni. So kita tak boleh cross multiplication. Okay, so therefore we need to collect. Tinggalkan dekat satu bahagian sahaja. Okay, so 2 minus x plus 1 over 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Okay, so saya pindah yang ni pergi ke kiri. Okay. So seterusnya saya ada nombor dan saya ada pecahan. Okay. So combinekan dia, gabungkan dia jadi satu pecahan. Okay, so 2 is over 1. Okay. Samakan pembawah, so 2 darabkan dengan 2x tolak 3 over 2x tolak 3. So darab dengan 1, so 2x tolak 3 je lah. Okay, so tolak x tambah 1 bahagi dengan 2x tolak 3 less than or equal to 0. Okay. So next you have expand this one. Okay, so you have 4x minus 6 and negative times x negative x and negative times positive 1 negative 1 over, since already same here, so 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Then simplify 4x minus x, 3x negative 1 minus 1 negative 7 over 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Okay, so next, tadi saya kata apa? Kena ada interval table lah kan. So sebelum interval table kita kena ada apa? Critical value. Okay, so critical value, so 3x minus 7 equal to 0. So we have 3x equal to 7, x equal to 7 over 3. Okay. So another one, we have 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so ambil yang bawah, pembawah dia. So 2x equal to 3, so x equal to 3 over 2. And then next draw the interval table. Okay, so letak 3/7, 7/3 dengan 3/2. So mana yang lagi kecil? Okay, so mana yang lagi kecil? So yang lagi kecil is 3/2. So 3 over 2 and here is 7 over 3. Okay. So choose any value. So sebelum dia, so before 3 over 2 saya choose 0. So kalau korang nampak dalam latihan atau contoh-contoh yang saya buat, saya banyak pilih kosong. Kenapa? Senang nak kira. Okay. So antara 3/2 dengan 7/3, berapa? So 3/2 is 1.5 actually. 7/3 is 2 point something. Okay. So I choose 1.6 lah. Okay, so after 7/3, so maybe 4. Okay. So point something, tak tahu berapa tu. So nanti tekanlah calculator. Okay, so we have here 3x minus 7 and 2x minus 3. Okay, so substitute these three value, 0, negative 1.6, 0, 1.6 and 4 inside this equation. 2x minus 7 and 2x minus 3. Okay, so 0, 3 times 0, 0, 0 minus 7, negative. Okay, ambil simbol sahaja. 2 times 0, 0, 0 minus 3, negative. And then 1.6 times 3. 3 times 1.6, 2.8. 2.8 minus 7, negative. Okay, 1.6 times 2, 3.2 minus 3, positive. And then 4 times 3, 12 minus 7, positive. And then 4 times 2, 8, 8 minus 3, 5, so positive. Okay, so antara dua ni, hubungan dia apa? Bahagi kan? So bahagi. So negative divide by negative, positive. Negative divide by positive, negative. Positive divide by positive is positive. Okay, so therefore the answer we need negative. Okay, so less than or equal to 0, which is negative. Okay, so we choose negative region. Okay, so the answer is x between 3/2 and 7/3. Okay, tapi kat sini ada equal sign kan, so kita kena letak equal sign. Tapi dia bukan dua-dua. Kenapa? Sebab ni ada denominator. So yang bawah ni dia tak boleh sama dengan lah. Okay, contohnya 3/2. So 3/2 ni tadi daripada denominator. Okay, so therefore kat sini tak ada equal sign. Okay, so no equal sign at here. So equal sign only at 7/3. So kenapa? Cubalah korang masukkan 3/2, masukkan dekat x, dekat denominator ni. So korang akan dapat kosong kan. So untuk pecahan bawah ni tak boleh kosong. So that's why you cannot take equal here. Okay, so next latihan yang lain. Okay, so number 3. Solve the following inequality. Okay, so I press the answer in real number 9. Okay, so this one also rational because there is x on denominator. Okay, so rational function. So kita kena ada interval table nanti. Okay. So sebelum tu we have two side pula. Kita ada dua benda ni. Satu ni bukan pecahan dan satu lagi pecahan. Okay. So jadikan single fraction. So this 1/1. Okay. So samakan pembawah. So we have 2x plus 3 times by x over 1 times x. So x minus 6x plus 5 over x greater than 0. Okay. So next, expand. Okay, so you have 2x square plus 3x. Okay, so this one minus times with 6x and then minus times with positive 5. So we have minus 6x and minus 5 divided by x greater than 0. Okay, so next simplify. So you have 2x square, 3x minus 6x, so negative 3x minus 5 over x greater than 0. Okay, so numerator quadratic. So quadratic kita kena factorize lah. So numerator tu kita kena factorize. So we have 2x, I think minus 5, and x plus 1. Okay, negative 5x, negative 5x. Okay, so divide by x greater than 0. Okay, so next find the critical value. Okay, so critical value. Okay, so critical value we have here 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 5, x equal to 5 over 2. Another one, x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 1. And another one we have x denominator tu, so x equal to 0. Okay. Okay, so tadi saya kata x tak boleh kosong kan, denominator pembawah dia tak boleh kosong kan. Tapi untuk critical value ni umpamakan dia sama dengan kosong je. Okay. So next, draw the interval table. Okay, so we have 3 value, negative 1, so here is negative 1, and then 0, and then 5 over 2. Okay, so we have here 2x minus 5, x plus 1, and x. Shoop. Okay, so we have 4 region, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for the first one, before negative 1, so choose any value. Let's say negative 2. Okay, so between negative 1 and 0, choose any value. Let's say negative 0.5. And between 0 and 5 over 2, choose any value. So let's say 1. So 5 over 2 actually is 2.5. Okay, so after 5 over 2, choose let's say 4. Okay, so substitute this 4 value inside 2x minus 5, x plus 1, and x to obtain the symbol. Okay, so 2 times negative 2, negative 4, minus 5 is negative 9, so negative 2 plus 1, negative 1, so negative 2 here negative. Okay, so negative 0.5, negative 0.5 times 2 is negative 1, minus 1, negative 0.5 plus 1, so positive, negative 0.5 here negative, and then 1 times 2, 2 minus 5, negative 3, so 1 plus 1, positive, and then x1, positive, and here 4 times 2, 8 minus 5, positive, 4 plus 1, 5, positive, and 4 is positive. Okay, so first, second, and third. First and second multiplication, and third is division. Okay, so sini darab, and then bahagi. Okay, so negatif darab negatif, positif bahagi negatif. Negatif darab positif, negatif darab negatif, positif. Dan negatif darab positif, negatif darab positif, negatif. Dan positif darab positif darab bahagi positif. Okay, so biasanya korang akan nampak lah, di antara region-region ni dia akan berbeza simbol dia, negatif, positif. Okay, dia berselang-seli. So kalau korang dapat negatif, tu mungkin ada salah lah tu, kemungkinan. Try check semula. Okay, so the answer we need positive side. Okay, so we take this one. Okay, so the answer is between negative 1 and 0 and greater than 5 over 2. Okay, so draw number line. So negative 1, 0, and 5 over 2. Okay, so since here there is no equal, so on here circle, here also circle. So between negative 1 and 0. Okay, so draw a line. And then 5 over 2, so greater than 5 over 2, because the right side of 5 over 2. Okay, so draw a circle and then draw an arrow to the right. Okay, so ni jawapan dia. Okay. Next, Another example. Solve the following inequality and express the answer in inequality form. Okay, so this one is quadratic inequalities. Okay. So quadratic inequality, we also need to draw an interval table. Okay, dan quadratic pun kalau kita nak selesaikan kena factorize. Okay. So first expand 1 square 1, and then positive x times 2, positive 2x times 1, positive 2x, then positive x square, positive x square, greater than 2x square, 4x square. Negative 3 times 2, negative 6, negative 6 times 2x, negative 6x. Dan negative 3 power of 2, positive 9. Okay. So 3 kuasa 2, positive 9. Okay, so next, permudahkan. So here 4x square and x square. Okay, so kuadratik biasanya saya cakap hari tu, macam mana? Kita kena biarkan dekat x square ni perkali dia mesti positif. So better this one move to the right. Okay, so all of this one kita pindah ke kanan. Okay, so we have 0 greater than 4x square positive x square move to the right, so negative x square, and then negative 6x, positive 2x move to the right become negative 2x, and then positive 9 1 move to the right become minus 1. So you have 0 greater than 4x square minus x square, 3x square, then negative 6x minus 2x, negative 8x, and 9 minus 1 positive 8. Okay. So next, terbalikkan dia lah. 3x kuasa 2 tolak 8x tambah 8 kurang daripada 0. Okay, so next, factorize. 3x x. So factorize berapa ni jawapan dia? Sekejap, saya kira 42 boleh ke? 42. Okay, actually kat sini saya ada salah ni. So this one bukan 6x ni. So this one is berapa? 3, 2, 6, 12. Okay, so saya salah kat situ. Sekejap Jadi delete balik. Okay, so expand balik semula. So we have 1 square plus 2x plus x square greater than 4x square, negative 3 times 2, negative 6 times 2, negative 12x plus 9. Okay, so pindahkan 0 greater than 4x square minus x square minus 12x minus 2x, and then plus 9 minus 1. So 0 greater than 3x square minus 14x plus 8. Okay. So next, terbalikkan 3x square less than 3x square minus 14x plus 8 less than 0. Then factorize 3x x. Okay, so 4. Okay, so 4 2 4 times 3 12, so negative less than 0. So we have a critical value 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 over 3, and x minus 4 equal to 0, so equal to 4. Okay, so next we draw the table. Okay, so here 2 over 3, 4, and choose any value before 2 over 3, let's say 0. After 2 over 3, so let's say here 1. After 4 is 5. So we have 3x minus 2, x minus 4. Okay. So substitute 0, 1 and 5 inside 3x minus 2 and x minus 4 and obtain the symbol. So 0, 0, negative 2, 0 minus 4, negative 4, 1, 3 minus 2 is 1 positive, and then 1 minus 4 is negative 5. 5 times 3, 15, minus 2 is positive, then 5 minus 4 positive. Okay, so number 1 and number 2, this one, the relation is multiplication. Okay, so darabkan negatif darab negatif, positif, positif darab negatif, negatif, positif, positif, positif. Okay, so we need negative. Okay, so the region at the middle. Okay, so inequality form, so we have 2 over 3 less than x less than 4. Okay, so x kat tengah-tengah ni. Okay, so yang tak faham lagi, lori tengah-tengah ni. Okay, so 2/3 ni sebelah kiri kan. So 2/3 sebelah kiri, sebenarnya 2/3 lagi kecil daripada x. Dan x kat tengah. X kat tengah, x lagi kiri daripada 4. So x ni lagi kecil daripada 4. Dah siap. Okay. So next, absolute value pula. Okay. So solve the following absolute values. Okay, so yang ni senang lah. Okay, so for the first one, A, so you have, so kena pindah dulu 7 and negative to the right. So kena pindah ke kiri. Okay. So kalau tak pun, so boleh buat 7 minus modulus 2x over x minus 3 equal to 3. Okay. So kalau tak pun boleh pindah yang ni, pergi ke kanan, dan 3 ni pindah ke kiri. So awak akan ada 7 tolak 3 sama dengan modulus 2x over x minus 3. Okay. So negatif, ni umpama satu nombor je lah. So negatif pindah ke sebelah jadi positif. Okay, so 7 minus 3 we have 4. Okay, so 4 is equal to modulus of 2x over x minus 3. Buruk 3, biarlah. Okay, so you have, buatkan dia 2x over x minus 3 equal to 4. Okay, so from here divide into 2 part. So you have 2x over x minus 3 equal to 4, and another one 2x over x over 3 equal to negative 4. Okay, so selesaikan satu persatu. So korang akan ada, so yang ni korang boleh lah cross multiplication sebab dia sama dengan, bukan inequality. Kalau inequality tak boleh. Okay, so you have 2x equal to 4 times x for x, 4 times negative 3, negative 12. Okay, so selesaikan. 2x minus 4x equal to negative 12. So you have negative 2x equal to negative 12, and then you have x equal to negative 12 divided by 2, 6. Okay, so another one, so 2x equal to negative 4 times x minus 3. So negative 4 times x, negative 4x, negative 4 times positive negative 3, positive 12. So 2x plus 4x, 6x equal to 12, and x is equal to 12 divided by 6, which is 2. Okay, yang B, okay, minum tadi tekak kering. Okay, so B, okay, so B we have modulus x minus 1 equal to 2 modulus 3 minus x. Okay, so ni kanan kiri kita ada modulus. So bila kanan kiri ada modulus, kita kena pakai yang ni, method number 2 tu. A square. Okay. So gantikan, so this one become square root of x minus 1 square is equal to 2 square root of 3 minus 1 square. Okay. Root square ni yang modulus sahaja. Ni dua ni kat luar kan, tak ada dekat dalam modulus kan. So jangan usik apa-apa kat dua tu. Okay. So next, taking square root on both side. Square root pula. Taking square on both side. So ambil kuasa 2 dekat dua-dua belah. So kanan dan kiri kuasa 2. Okay. So sekarang square root dengan square cancel. So kita akan ada x minus 1 square equal to dekat sini ni. So ni 2 times by square root 3 minus x square. Lepas tu kita ada square lagi kan. So square ni kita akan bagi dekat 2 dan kita akan bagi dekat yang square root ni. Okay. So kita akan dapat 2 kuasa 2 4. Square root and square cancel. Tinggal 3 tolak 1, 3 tolak x. Saya salah lagi. Okay. So 3 minus x. Okay. So 3 minus x square. Okay, so next expand. So x power of 2 x square. Negative 1 times 2 negative 2. Negative 2 times x negative 2 x. Negative 1 square positive 1 equal to 4. So ni nak expand 4 ke nak kuasa 2 dulu? So kena expand kuasa 2 dahulu. Sebab 4 ni tak ada kuasa 2. 4 ni kuasa dia sekarang dah 1 dah. Tadi kita dah kuasakan 2, tapi sekarang dah jadi 1 lah. 4 kuasa 1. So tak sama, so tak boleh masukkan dulu ni. Okay, so expand dulu yang kuasa 2 ni. So we have 3 power of 2 which is 9. And then negative x times 2 negative 2x times 3 negative 6x. Negative x power of positive x square. Okay. So next simplify. Belum 4 ni. So 4 kembang bawa masuk dalam, tertinggal 4 nya. Okay, so you have x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 4 times 9 36. 4 times negative 6 negative 24x. 4 times positive x square positive 4x square. Okay, so kat sini ni 4x square, ni x square. Okay. So biasa saya nak yang x kuasa 2 ni positif lah kan. Kalau ni pindah pergi ke kiri, nanti akan 1 tolak 3, akan dapat negatif. So better yang ni semua saya pindah ke kanan. Okay, so we have here 0 equal to 4x square minus x and then minus 24x plus 2x plus 36 minus 1. So you have here 3x square minus 26x and plus 35. Okay. So terbalikkan dia, 3x square minus 26x plus 35 equal to 0. And then factorize. Okay, so factorize, you have here 3x x equal to 0. Okay. Okay, so berapa ni nak factorize? 7 kali 5, 35. Okay. So 7 kali 5, 7, 3. Okay, boleh. So 7 and 5. Okay. So here negative and here also negative. Okay. So you have here 3x minus 5 equal to 0 and 3x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 over 3. And another one, or x minus 7 equal to 0 and x is equal to 7. Okay. So ni jawapan dia 2. Ada 2 jawapan. Okay. Okay, so yang C. Okay, so So now C. Okay, so open the modulus, so you will have 3. Okay, so 3 minus 2x is equal to square root x, and another one, or 3 minus 2x is equal to negative square root x. Okay. Okay, so next, square root pindah ke kiri, so korang akan ada 3 minus 2x square equal to x, and then expand. So 3 square 9, negative 2x times 2 negative 4, negative 4 times 3 negative 12x, negative 2x power of 2 positive 4x square equal to x, and then pindah x pergi ke kiri. So we have x square minus 12x minus x plus 9 equal to 0. So simplify for x square, negative 13x plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. So factorize, so you will have 4x minus 9 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So negative 9x, negative 4x. Okay, betul. Okay, so you have the answer for x minus 9 equal to 0 implies x equal to 9 over 4. Okay. And another one, or x minus 1 equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay. So daripada yang kedua pula, so yang ni tak boleh pindah square root dulu sebab ada negatif ni. Okay. So negatif bawa pergi ke kiri. So you have negative 3 minus 2x equal to square root x. Okay. So you have negative 3 plus 2x equal to square root x. Sekarang baru pindah square root pergi ke kiri. So you have negative 3 plus 2x square equal to x. Okay. So expand power of 2, so equal to 9. Negative 3 power of 2 is 9. Negative 3 times 2 negative 6. Negative 6 times positive 2x negative 12x, and then positive 2x power of 2 is positive 4x square equal to x. Okay, so next 4x square minus 12x minus x plus 9 equal 0. So you have 4x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so which is equal to here, this one. So sama. Okay, so tak payahlah nak factorize. So jawapan dia yang ni sahaja tadi ni. Okay, dah. Okay, so next. Dah nak habis dah. Okay, so next, solve the following inequality. Modulus absolute value inequality. Okay, so for the first one, so we have modulus 1 minus 2x less than 3. Okay, so untuk modulus tadi kita ada dua case kan, satu yang lagi kecil dan satu lagi yang lagi besar. So kalau yang lagi kecil apa, jawapan dia ada satu sahaja. So bila ada satu, so korang akan buka 1 minus 2x less than 3 and negative 3 less than 1 minus 2x. Okay, so pindah-pindahkan dia. So positive 1 bring to the left and bring to the right. So kita ada bahagian kiri, tengah dan kanan. So satu ni pindah ke kiri dan pindah ke kanan. So you have negative 3 minus 1 less than negative 2x less than 3 minus 1. So which is negative 4 less than negative 2x less than 2. Okay, so this one negative 2 times x. Pindah ke kiri jadi bahagi dan pindah ke kanan pun jadi bahagi. So bahagi nombor negatif, apa kena buat? Kena ubah simbol. Okay, so negative 4 divide by negative 2 less than become greater than x, and here less than become greater than 2 over negative 2. So you have negative 4 divided negative 2, 2 greater than x greater than negative 1. Okay, so next susun semula yang kecil sebelah kiri ya biasanya. So saya negative 1 less than x less than 2. Terbalikkan yang atas ni tadi. So terbalikkan, dapat yang ni. Okay, so next B. Okay, so yang B ni greater than. So greater than kita ada lebih daripada satu jawapan. Dia ada dua jawapan. Okay, so B kita ada modulus 1 pula. Modulus 2 minus x greater than 5. Okay, so divide into two parts. So 2 minus x greater than 5 and or 2x pula. 2 minus x less than negative 5. Okay, so we have here 2 minus 5 greater than x and then negative 3 greater than x. So x less than negative 3 or another one. Okay, so 2 plus 5 less than negative x pindah ke kanan jadi x. So 7 less than x. So x greater than 7. Okay. So jawapan dia tak nak minta dalam bentuk apa-apa. So bagi je lah macam ni. Cukup dah. So ada or ni. Or tu union lah. Ataupun korang boleh tulis x less than negative 3 union x greater than 7. Okay. Okay, next D. Okay, so D, so we have modulus on both sides. Okay, so modulus on both sides. So kita akan guna definisi yang kedua iaitu modulus A bersamaan dengan square root A kuasa 2. Okay, so modulus 2x. So we have square root 2x square less than or equal to mana ni? Okay, so modulus 2x square less than or equal to square root of x minus 4 square. Okay, so next, taking square on both sides, so we have here, so cancel square root and square, cancel this one, so you have 2x square less than or equal to x minus 4 square. Okay, so expand power of 2, so 2x square, 4x square less than or equal to x power of 2x square, negative 4 times 2 negative 8, negative 8 times x negative 8x, so negative 4 times 2 and negative 4 power of 2 positive 16. Okay, so seterusnya susun semula. So 4x square minus x square plus 8x minus 16 less than or equal to 0. Okay, so you have here 3x square plus 8x minus 16 less than or equal to 0. Okay, so next factorize. So you have here 3x and x less than or equal to 0. Okay, so 16 ni 4 kali 4 4 boleh kot. So 4 here negative, no, here positive, negative. Okay. Okay, so next we find the critical value. Okay, so ni nak cari ni, nak factorize ni, korang pakailah calculator lah. Saya calculator saya entah ke mana entah. Tak jumpa. Okay, so critical value. So we have here 3x minus 4 equal to 0. And we have here x equal to 4 over 3. And then x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 4. Okay. Okay, so kalau calculator dia akan bagi macam ni kan. Dia akan terus bagi nilai 4/3 dengan negatif 4. Okay, so korang kena tulis semula yang ni. Sebab kat sini ni ada satu markah kalau tak silap. Okay. So jangan tinggal terus dapat ni. So tulis yang ni. Okay. So next interval tab. Kita buat interval table tu. Okay. So we have here negative 4. And then here is 4 over 3. Okay, so we choose value before negative 4, let's say negative 5. Between negative 4 and 4 over 3, 0. After 4 over 3, maybe 2. Okay. Okay, so we have 3x minus 4 times by x plus 4. Okay. So gantikan nilai-nilai ni negatif 5 kosongan 2 untuk dapatkan C. So negative 5 times 3 negative 15 minus 4 negative 19. So negative 5 plus 4 negative 0 0 minus 4 negative 0 0 plus 4 positive, and 2 times 3 6 6 minus 4 positive, and 2 plus 4 is 6 positive. Okay, so this one relation dia darab, hubungan dia darab. Okay, so kat sini ni darab. Okay, so negatif darab negatif, positif negatif darab positif, negatif positif darab positif, positif. So kita nak apa ni? Kita nak negatif. So bulatkan kawasan yang negatif. Okay, so the answer is x. Okay, saya tulis terus sekarang ada yang tak faham. Okay, so kita tengok kat tengah-tengah. So letak x ni kat tengah-tengah ni. Okay. So negatif 4 ni lagi kiri daripada x. So negatif 4 lagi kecil daripada x. And then x lagi kiri daripada 4/3. So dia lagi kecil daripada 4/3. Okay. So ada equal tak? Kita tengok sini. Okay, so kat sini ni kita ada sign. So letak equal. Okay, so ni jawapan dia. Okay, so next, last example. So we have modulus x plus 2 greater or equal to 2 minus x. Modulus 2 minus x. So kena pakai juga yang ni tadi. Okay, so nak kena pakai yang ni. Okay, so D. So we have square root x plus 2 square greater than or equal to square root of 2 minus x square. And then taking square on both side. So ambil kuasa dua belah. Okay, square root dengan square cancel. Okay, so we have x plus 2 power of 2 greater or equal to 2 minus x power of 2. Ni kuasa 2. Boleh cancel? Tak boleh. Okay, so jangan cancel sebab jawapan dia nanti kan tak dapat semua jawapan. Dia dapat sebahagian sahaja. Okay, so expand x power of 2. So x power of 2, positive 2 times x 2, positive 4 times x, positive 4x, positive 2 power of 2, positive 4, greater than or equal to, so 2 power of 2 4, negative x times 2 negative 2x times 2 negative 4x, negative x power of 2 positive x square. Okay. Okay. So next, simplify. So x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, so pindah ke kiri, minus 4x plus 4x minus 4 greater or equal to 0. Okay, So alhamdulillah here x square and x square minus become 0. So mudah sebab tak payah nak buat kuadratik. So kuasa x kuasa 2 tolak x kuasa 2 dah habis. Okay, so next, positive x plus positive x 8x, and positive 4 minus 4 is 0, greater or equal to 0. So therefore the answer x greater or equal to 0. So ni jawapan dia. Dah siap. Okay, so finish I think. Okay, so finish. That's all. Thank you and see you again later. Assalamualaikum.